In this video, we are going to look on how to add users on Rednote. First, open up your Rednote account, and to add new users, there are two methods which you can use. First is, you need to tap on these three horizontal lines and tap on Discover Friends, and in this list you can find friends from your contact list who have created a Rednote account. And once you find that friend, you can tap on their profile and tap on Follow to follow them. The second method to add users is tap on the search icon and search the specific user you want to follow, for example like this, and then tap on Users, and from here you can find the profile of the name you searched. And once you find the profile, tap on it and tap on Follow to follow the person. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.